Hello, my old school soul food fans, followers, family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna be sharing a recipe with y'all I've never shared with anybody. So we got to keep this a secret from everybody in the world, just between me and you. They don't be sharing something I've been amazing my family and friends with, and they don't even know until now what I do to my baked beans. People love my baked beans. They think I work all day in the kitchen cooking them and cooking them and cooking them. And I've been doing them like this for years. And I'm going to show you how I do it and how to have the most amazing baked beans you ever had. The key is I use bush baked beans to start out with to kind of give me a kickstart. But I add all kinds of other flavorings and ingredients to it to bring it to the next level. Because to me, bush beans, if you eat them like this, to me, it has no flavor at all. But the bean part is what I like in them. They all cook very consistently and perfectly cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. It's very easy. I'm going to turn the camera again. Like I said, I'm working in my solo this last month here. No crew or nothing like that. So I'm going to have to man all this myself. The first thing I do, I dump all the beans in the pot here. And I'm going to use in the oven. And like I say, this recipe is so simple that you'll amaze your family and friends. They'll be wondering, hi, what do you do to these beans? That's amazing. Okay, this is what we go. This is the trick here. Put onions in here. All you do is dump it all in the pot. Nice bacon, and all this stuff is on the description of the video, of course, like all my recipes. I'm gonna put some this is molasses. You can find molasses in the store. Of course, it's over there by the syrup and honey and all that. Molasses, you got sorghum's even better. The Worcestershire sauce I'm gonna put in it. I'm gonna put a little liquid smoke in here. Put some honey. Put this in the microwave. Let this honey kind of heat up a little when it come out the. Well, let's go in and put mustard in here. Regular yellow mustard. Ketchup. That's gonna be about a half a cup of ketchup. I just eye this because I've done it so many times. It's like going in my sleep. Okay, here's the honey here. Put some honey in there. You got that sweet, you're gonna have that sweet savory taste. The light brown sugar. You're probably saying it's a lot of sweetness. That's the key to baked beans. The sweetness part, taste to it. And a little salt and pepper, of course. Gotta have that. And what I do, I'm gonna mix all this together. You don't even have the fire on yet. But we baking them, like I say, in the oven. Mix all that good stuff up in there. All that good flavor in there. Like I say, this is really amazing. And I actually do taste them to see if we got everything, the flavors blended together. If I'm missing something out of here. Oh man, these things are good just like that. But once they bake together, they're gonna be even more amazing. Okay, now last step I do, I'm gonna put bacon strips on top, just like this. Bacon right on top of there. Just happen to be apple bacon. You can use any bacon you want. Put it all on top. And that bacon, of course, is going to shrink down as it's cooked, of course, you know that. I completely cover with bacon. And that's another key ingredient. And that's it. And I'm going to put it in the oven uncovered. I'm not going to even cover it up. I'm going to put it in the oven uncovered. Get this. I like to wipe the sides off because when it cooks, I don't want the sides to burn. So I wipe the sides really clean. Good presentation. 1 hour uncovered, 350 degrees. And have the most amazing baked beans when you come back here. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna pull this out the oven here. Should be ready. I let it go about an hour and 15 minutes here. Get it out of here. There we go. There we go. Look at that. That's baked beans there. Get a close-up shot of those. And move the camera where y'all can see. Nice bubbling there. And I'm gonna let them set. And the key is, I'm gonna actually let these set for like 15-20 minutes and let them stop bubbling, and then we're gonna come back and try some. And like I say, this is awesome, easy way to make see that bacon, all some of it cooked down, some of it still at the top, but there's just so much flavor in these beans. So about 30 minutes I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna let them rest. We're gonna come back and we're gonna try some of them, so we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna try a little of these here. Say, and the longer these set up, the thicker they gonna get. So they still hot, of course. I wanna try them out here and see what we got here. So good. Flavor, the bacon in there, the onion. It's so good here. This is baked beans here, y'all. Look at that bacon. We got sweet and tangy here. Awesome. Go good with some barbecue. I can't stop eating it. So good. But yeah, go try this recipe. Give this recipe thumbs up. Please share, please subscribe. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.